Finally, Huawei launched its latest smartphone, Huawei Pure 70 Ultra. The dimensions of this mobile: height 6.4 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.4 mm, weight 226 grams, and the build: front and back glass and eco leather back aluminium frame. The display type: it comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.8 inches and 89.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 2500 nits peak of brightness, and it comes with Kunlun glass protection. The platform: it comes with EMUI 14.2 International and Harmony OS 4.2 China Vision operating system. The chipset is Kirin 910 7nm and the CPU octa-core Titan Big. The GPU is MEIZU 920 and the memory is 16GB RAM and 512GB plus 1TB ROM. The camera of this device: it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor, 40 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and the selfie camera is 13 megapixel with 4K 60fps video record. The battery of this device: it comes with 5200 mAh battery with 100 watt wired charging and 80 watt wireless charging, and it supports reverse charging 20 watt wireless and 80 watt 18 watt wired charging. And the common and the feature: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C and fingerprint under display. The price of Huawei Pure 70 Ultra has $1,500.